Can CPS charge you with neglect if you are staying in a relationship? So technically, so let me break it down. Charge. Typically, charge is a special terminology that is used in the criminal legal proceedings. And charge is essentially when the district attorney brings up charges against a party for a violation of a penal code, health code, vehicle code, and etc. But when it comes to a juvenile dependency context or CPS court context, it's not necessarily charged, it's essentially accused. So in this case, the CPS accuses you, and can they accuse you for staying in a relationship? So essentially staying in a relationship, no, they can't necessarily accuse you for staying in this relationship, but they can accuse you or bring up allegations against you if you are staying in a toxic relationship that puts your kids at risk of harm, whether risk of harm being hit, risk of harm of them being exposed to arguing or intense violence due to arguing. These are things that are concerning that CPS may come and lead to a removal. So, does that mean that you have to separate from your partner? I don't know. It just depends on the facts and circumstances. You may still be able to stay with your partner, but come up with some sort of alternative plan. Or you may have to do some domestic violence classes. Or you may need to file a restraining order. Every case is very different. This is why you want to make sure you contact a California CPS defense lawyer to be able to specifically inform you of your rights and your tactic. But most importantly, if you're facing a California CPS case currently right now in court and it's domestic violence, you want to make sure you utilize every avenue possible, because this is not going to be easy, and you want to make sure you increase your chances. I shot through a lot from here to help.